You want to start a YouTube channel, a podcast, or just improve your video calls. Audio is more important than video. Bad audio makes people click away instantly. A good wireless mic gives you clear, professional sound without being tethered to your camera or computer. I have tested the best wireless mics for beginners to find out which ones are easy to use, sound great, and offer the best value. Let's get into it. The DJI Mic 2 is the best premium wireless mic system for beginners who want pro-level features and pristine audio quality. This system includes 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and a charging case. The 32-bit float internal recording means you never have to worry about clipping or distorted audio. You can recover too loud or too quiet recordings later. The intelligent noise canceling filters out background noise like traffic or HVAC hum. The range is an impressive 820 feet. The transmitters can record up to 14 hours internally. They connect easily to phones, cameras, and computers via USB-C or Lightning. The battery life with the charging case is excellent. For a budding YouTuber, filmmaker, or podcaster, the DJI Mic 2 is a professional-grade tool that is still beginner-friendly. Check the link in the description below. The Hollyland Lark A1 is the best budget wireless mic system for beginners who want good quality without spending a fortune. This system includes 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. The compact design is lightweight and clips easily to a collar. The omnidirectional microphone captures clear audio from all directions. The range is about 650 feet. The battery life is around 8 hours. The charging case provides additional charges. The connection to phones and cameras is simple. The sound quality is not as rich as the DJI, but for vlogging, interviews, and social media content, it is more than adequate. For a beginner on a tight budget, the Lark A1 is the best value in wireless audio. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The Blue Yeti is the best USB microphone for beginners who do not need wireless and want the best sound for a stationary desk setup. This is not wireless. It is a large USB condenser mic that plugs directly into your computer. It is the standard for beginner podcasters and streamers. The Blue Yeti has 4 pickup patterns: cardioid for solo speaking, bidirectional for interviews, stereo for music, and omnidirectional for group chats. The onboard controls include mute, gain, volume, and pattern selection. The sound is warm and clear. It is heavy and takes up desk space. It also picks up more background noise than a dynamic mic. But for under $100, the Blue Yeti is a legendary starter mic. I have linked the Blue Yeti down in the description. The Shure BLX 24/PG58 is the best handheld wireless mic system for beginners who need a stage microphone for singing, public speaking, or live events. This is a professional-grade system used by musicians and speakers worldwide. The PG58 dynamic microphone capsule is rugged and sounds great for vocals. The cardioid pickup pattern rejects background noise and feedback. The range is 300 feet. The transmitter runs for 14 hours on 2 AA batteries. The receiver is simple to set up with one-touch scanning for a clear channel. It is more expensive than consumer systems, but for a beginner who is performing on stage or hosting a live event, the Shure reliability is worth it. Check the link in the description below. The SYNCO G4 Wireless lavalier is the best budget dual transmitter system for beginners who need 2 microphones for interviews. This system includes 2 clip-on microphones and 1 receiver that plugs into your phone or camera. The omnidirectional capsules capture clear dialogue from multiple speakers. The range is about 160 feet. The battery lasts around 6 hours. The low-cut filter reduces rumble. The real-time monitoring lets you check your audio as you record. It is not as refined as the DJI, but for a beginner doing interview-style content on a budget, the SYNCO G4 is a solid choice. I have linked the SYNCO G4 down in the description for you. That wraps up the best wireless mics for beginners in 2026. Whether you want the pro-level DJI Mic 2, the budget-friendly Hollyland Lark A1, or the desktop powerhouse Blue Yeti, there is a microphone here that will make you sound way better than you actually are. All the links are waiting for you down below in the description. Go check them out and sound great. I will catch you in the next one.